We have 121,480 miles, and I do need gas. Hello and welcome. This is a 120,000 mile review for the Mk7.5 GTI. This is a 2018 Autobahn. I've had it for almost 5 years now. I got it with 19,000 miles on it, so I've put 102,000 miles on it. I did experience one of the most popular issues with GTIs, which is the leaking water pump / thermostat housing. And I needed to replace that. I replaced that along with a bunch of other things I needed to replace because I hit a cone and that caused the whole front end to be damaged. But the water pump was leaking before I hit that cone. That was one issue I did experience that is a common issue on these cars. Pretty much everyone experiences that because the water pump housing is plastic. I did regular maintenance. I used liquid moly and K&N filters mostly. I did use Castrol oil a few times in a pinch, as well as other brand filters here and there. Another thing, I believe I need to do a carbon cleaning. I have been experiencing performance loss these past 10-ish thousand miles, and I believe it's due for a carbon cleaning, which would help with that majorly. As well as fuel injectors, or I at least need to clean the fuel injectors because I am getting misfires here and there due to fuel injector. When I scan it for the misfire, it tells me it's the fuel injectors. So fuel injectors are another thing. This is really just going to be a short and sweet review because I don't have much else to say about it, honestly. I drove this car very hard. Extremely hard, and I still do to this day with 121,000 miles on it, and I haven't experienced, knock on glass to savior, anything crazy thus far. It has been extremely reliable. The main issues I experienced were my fault when I hit the cone and I damaged the whole front end and the cooling system and everything, caused the car to overheat. Even after causing the car to overheat, I still am not experiencing any major issues. I hit this cone in the mountains, all my coolant fell out and I didn't get my car towed. I drove home from there, like a 30-minute drive. It was late at night, so it was cool, but still my car was overheating the whole way, and that was over 10,000 miles ago. All in all, what I gotta say is this has been an extremely reliable platform, and I have definitely pushed it to its maximum limits on countless occasions. I have taken this car past what it wants to be taken to, and it has not let me down. 120,000 mile review of the Mk7.5 GTI. I gotta give it a straight up thumbs up because this has been a great platform and continues to be. I would definitely recommend it. As long as you do the water pump, there's really no other major issues you're gonna run into with regular maintenance. You're gonna be fine. And if you don't push your car hard at all or anything, this is more than a great just daily. Also, oil changes and the regular maintenance are extremely easy to do yourself because the filter's on the top of the car. So you can get one of the vacuum suction tools, which I use, and many people have done reviews on them here on YouTube and shown that they get 99% of the oil. A minuscule amount is left behind. And if you use that method, you don't have to jack the car up at all. You just suck out the oil, change the filter, put in the new oil, all from under the hood. It's extremely convenient. And the air filter is also super easy to access. The cabin air filter as well is super easy to do. Brakes are easy to do as well. Nothing crazy there. And this car accepts upgrades like crazy as well. You can get an extra 100 horsepower from just an ECU tune alone. No bolt-ons. And with basic bolt-ons, you can take this platform to a stable 400 horsepower. A lot of people put out 400 wheel horsepower too, where they'll be pushing 455 at the crank. Another thing I did experience was, it's a little dirty right now, sorry, but this plastic fake metal stuff, it starts to kind of peel. You can see there's like a bubble right there, and it's really sharp when it does. Right here, there's the same stuff. It peeled right here and it actually cut me pretty bad. I was reaching in here to get something, and when I pulled my hand out, since this was peeling up, it sliced my finger up. That was something I did have replaced under warranty though at the VW dealership for free, which was great. They replaced it, no hassle. If you have any specific questions about anything, leave a comment and I will do my best to answer them. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and good night.